If you've ever dreamed of living in a cozy country-style home with a modern twist, but without spending a fortune, then you're going to love today's video. We're talking about the best prefab Barndominium homes you can get for under $100,000. Yep, you heard that right. These homes are budget-friendly, stylish, and super easy to set up. Whether you're looking for a weekend getaway spot, a downsized dream home, or even a rental investment, I've found some awesome options that won't break the bank. Here's what you need to know about Barndominium kits before you build, and it might save you thousands. Let me break this down. Most people think all Barndo kits are the same, but there are actually 3 different types, and choosing the wrong one could cost you big time. First, there's red iron kits. These are basically just the bones, structural steel, siding, and roof. That's it. You're on your own for everything else. But here's where it gets interesting. Cold-formed steel kits are like Lego for adults. Everything's labeled, pre-drilled, and just clicks together. You get the framing, siding, roofing, windows, and doors. Plus, they've already figured out where your electrical and plumbing goes. And then there's the SIPS kits. These are the closest you'll get to a complete home in a box. Structure, insulation, windows, doors, siding, roofing, pretty much everything except the kitchen sink. But here's what they don't tell you. None of these prices include shipping, construction, or finish out, and in today's market that could double or triple your final cost. Now let's check out some of the coolest and most affordable prefab Barndominium from MyBarndoPlans. The Anthem Barndominium Red Iron Steel Kit. Price, $86,980. The Anthem Barndominium floor plan is a spacious 2,741 square feet of living space, available as a red iron steel or SIP panel kit. This kit has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a large shop, a home office, which can be a 4th bedroom, and a wraparound porch. This is the perfect Barndominium plan that combines style, an open floor plan, and a rugged country feel. Once an order is placed, it ships pretty quickly, usually within 6 to 8 weeks. And yes, it can be built anywhere in the lower 48 states. Need it snow-ready? No problem, the structure can be adjusted for heavy snow areas. Just keep in mind that delivery costs vary depending on where it's going. Now let's talk about the red iron weld-up building package. It's 50 feet wide, 70 feet long with a 19-foot eave height and a 3 to 12 roof slope. This design has a clear span, no interior framing thanks to 2 rigid frames. It's built to handle a wind speed of 115 miles per hour and includes a roof snow load of 3.5. Windows and doors aren't included, but the frameouts are ready for them. Plans come standard with every kit, and if custom plans are needed, there's an extra fee. The Getaway Barndominium Red Iron Kit. Price, $36,963. This simple and small Barndominium kit is 1,131 square feet and seems so much larger. Very close to a 40 by 60 layout, but slightly larger. The plan has a huge screened-in porch in the back and a 2-car garage shop, and it is laid out to maximize usable space. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan make the Getaway an excellent choice for your new Barndo. Once the order is placed, shipping takes about 6 to 8 weeks, and it can be delivered anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you're in a snowy area, no worries, they can adjust the design for heavier snow loads. Just keep in mind, delivery charges will vary depending on where it's being shipped. The shell is built with strong, weld-up steel frames. It measures 48 feet wide by 60 feet long, with 10-foot-high eaves and a gentle roof slope. The design meets IBC 06 codes and can handle wind speeds up to 115 miles per hour. Roof snow load is rated at 3.5. This kit is also available in cold-formed steel kit for $94,580. The Simple Life Barndominium Red Iron Kit. Price, $32,912. Alright, so here's the scoop on this 1,000 square foot Barndominium home kit. Perfect for anyone looking to live simply and affordably. This kit is called the Simple Life Barndominium, and it's priced at $32,912 for the shell only. This 1,000 square foot Barndominium floor plan is called the Simple Life. It is both simple and affordable, but also incredibly well designed to maximize your square footage. The downstairs has your living area with a half bath, and the upstairs has 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. An open floor plan makes simple life a great choice for your small barndominium. Now, once an order is placed, it usually ships out in about 6 to 8 weeks. And good news, it can be built anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you're in an area with heavy snow, no worries, they can adjust the structure to handle that. Delivery fees, those depend on where it's being shipped. Home plan includes a floor plan designed by an architect, a roof plan, an electrical plan, a window and door schedule, elevations, and renderings. This is a weld-up building package, which means the metal parts are welded together during the build. The kit comes with painted steel columns and trusses, already cut to size. It's 20 feet wide, 25 feet long, and 18 feet tall. Quantum Impact Steel provides everything for the weld-up, including cutouts, CNC cut clips, and full instructions for assembling the frame. The frame outs for windows and doors are included, but actual windows and doors are not. The wall and roof panel colors? Totally up to the buyer. And remember, this price covers the shell only, no interior framing is included. So, if someone's dreaming of a Barndo lifestyle on a budget, this 1,000 square foot steel kit might just be the perfect start. The Rustic Nook Barndominium Red Iron Kit. Price: $32,963. Here's come a super cool barndominium kit called the Rustic Nook. It gives you 1,200 square feet of living space, plenty of room to spread out and make it your own. This 30 by 40 barndominium is simple to build and has a thoughtfully designed floor plan with 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and no hallways to waste space. This is a weld-up steel building, built tough and ready to go. The basic shell starts at $32,963, and if you prefer cold-formed steel, that's available too for $72,000. Once you place your order, it ships fast, usually within 3 to 4 weeks. And yes, they deliver anywhere in the lower 48 states. If you're in a snowy area, no worries, they can tweak the design to handle heavy snow loads. Now, about shipping costs, expect around $1,500 to $2,000, depending on where you live. But hey, if you're in Texas, delivery's on the house. Here are the specs for the kit: 30 feet wide, 40 feet long, 9-foot eave height, 412 roof pitch. No interior framing included, just 2 rigid frames with a clear span. Designed for 115 miles per hour wind and moderate exposure. Roof snow load, 3.5, includes 2 sidewall bays at 20 feet each. Doors and windows aren't included, but the frame outs for them are already in place, so you're basically getting a strong blank canvas to build out your dream space. Oh, and all kits come with building plans. Need custom ones? That'll be extra. It's a solid start for anyone wanting to build a barndo with style and strength. The Quinn Barndominium Cold-Formed Steel Kit. Price: $55,241. Meet the Quinn Home Kit, one of the most complete kits out there. It's a cozy 924 square foot space, perfect for a small barn-style home or a great option for an ADU. This kit is built to maximize usable space. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and an open floor plan make the Quinn a great choice. The plan has an extra-large master suite and a carport instead of a garage. This plan is designed to have excellent curb appeal and be super affordable to build. The kit includes everything you need to get the structure up: interior wall framing, windows, doors, siding, and a steel roof. It even ships fast, usually within 2 weeks. Now heads up, the price doesn't include putting it up. That'll run you somewhere between $13,000 to $16,000. But don't worry, the team can help you find local pros to erect the building and even help you find someone to finish out the inside. Delivery fees vary based on where you live, and you'll need to have your foundation plan sorted before ordering. But once that's done, you're good to go. And here's what's included: all interior and exterior framing built in Dallas and shipped to you. Steel roof trusses ready to install. Strappings. Zip Systems exterior sheathing, R3 insulation, with an option to upgrade to R6. 26-gauge metal siding and roofing. Double bubble radiant barrier for the roof. Exterior doors and windows. It's a solid, well-thought-out kit that makes building your own steel frame home way more doable. The Cowboy Barndominium Red Iron Kit. Price, $33,636. This simple and small barndominium has 2 bedrooms with a large shop, designed with 1 full bath inside and 1 full bath in the shop. Great for your retreat where the cowboys and cowgirls in the family need a place to clean up before coming into the home. Great for hunting cabins, small retreats, and places where a cowboy wants to get away. Under 1,000 square feet with a very livable floor plan. Leave large in a small home. This kit is a weld-up building package, which means it's made of steel you weld together on site. It's built tough, with 2 big rigid frames and a clear span so no interior walls getting in the way. It's designed with a 10-foot eave height and a gentle roof slope of 3 to 12. And don't worry about the weather, it's made to handle snow and winds up to 115 miles per hour. No windows or doors included, but the frameouts are ready for you to add your own. The living area is around 1,131 square feet with a total footprint of 921 square feet plus a large garage. Shipping? Once you place your order, steel delivery takes about 6 to 8 weeks. And yes, they can ship it anywhere in the lower 48 states with adjustments for heavy snow areas. Delivery costs depend on your location. So if you're looking for a compact barndominiums with room for work and play, this could be the one. Baloo Barndominium Red Iron Kit. Price $34,500. This is a fantastic small barndominium with a carport. This barndo has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 3rd bedroom is flexible, which could be used as an office or bedroom. The Baloo Barndominium Master Suite is laid out to use the whole right side of the home, featuring a spacious walk-in closet to house your entire wardrobe and a large, luxurious master bathroom. The little barndominium home can be built anywhere in the USA. Some small structural changes will be made for high snow areas. The carport and front porch are not part of the kit, but they can be added. This kit is also available in cold-formed steel for $68,000. Cold-formed steel building package includes all interior and exterior framing, panels built in Dallas and shipped. Roof trusses. Steel roof trusses shipped ready to install. Strappings, if needed. Zip systems, exterior sheathing. R3, you can upgrade to R6. Roof decking. Roof underlayment. 26-gauge metal siding. 26-gauge metal roofing. Exterior doors, windows. Expect to spend $18,000 on erecting. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home ideas, and drop a comment letting me know which one was your favorite or if you're planning to build one yourself. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll catch you in the next one.